getting ready for its move over to the well before it gets put in the water. Finally. Been at this since November, and now it's May. Good on the rudder. Boomerang and boomerang. Now to finish painting. Well, it is in the water and afloat. Tomorrow the mast is coming down. A little disconcerting leaving the forestay off, but had to do that in order for the boat to fit on the travel lift. The travel lift to get where the slings are supposed to be required that the head stay be taken off, and we're having a bit of difficulty getting it back on, even with the back stay loosened to the max. So it's got to be the shrouds that are holding it too far back, which is fine, but we'll need to loosen those up tomorrow when we take the mast down, and hopefully that will solve the problem of getting the head stay back on. And then to put it back on, we'll start with the head stay first and then work backwards. We can always put a halyard on the back to pull it back to get the back stay back on. So she's in. the engine started without any difficulty and working fine. No leaks, drips, or other water infiltration from what I can tell, but we'll see. I'm going to run home for a bit, grab something to eat, and then I'll come back. I'm going to start bringing the halyards back in, so we have them for tomorrow. When I start, when the mast comes down, I can start putting them back on. So it's set to go. Getting closer. Back to the boat. Morning. Well, starting to tear the mast apart. At least the top of it. Boat is back in the well, getting ready to put the mast back on. Mast is all set, ready to go. Going to be lifted by the crane and set back in. Then the rest of the work of rerunning all the lines gets started. Ship coming in. Gail and Jane got the cushions put back in. They've all been cleaned and restuffed. So looking good. Starting to look like part of the Boomerang family. Well, nearly all put together. Today's May 27th, 2022. Just have to put the sails on yet. Surprisingly, the new mainsail cover seems to fit. A little too windy right now to put the sails on. We've got winds out of the north coming right down the river at about 16, 17 So it's supposed to calm down a little later on this afternoon, so we'll put the sails on then. If not, we'll do it in the morning on the way up. Plan is right now to head up on Saturday morning, leave here about 8 o'clock, and hope to get up to Wave Point by early afternoon. Starting to look pretty good.